Across now to my reporters who are joining us on the ground. One covering the Prime Minister's roadshow, and then there's the other who's at Ghatkopar at Ground Zero at the site of the collapse. Shrishti, I'm coming to you first. You're at the accident site. Would you just show our viewers what is happening there right now? I believe search and rescue operations still continue because there is some indication that there may be some people who are still buried under the rubble behind you. Could you show us around, please, and tell us what update you have?
Well, absolutely. In fact, my video journalist Nitesh is showing you the visuals right from Ground Zero, and one can understand that the operation is still underway, where we see that it's not just NDRF but also Mumbai Police, Fire Brigade Department, BMC officials, QRT team. Everyone is present right here, and the visuals what we are showing to our viewers on the screen is that the rubble is being removed out. It took almost 2 days for this heavy metal scrap to come out, and heavy machineries, in fact, were being used. You talk about hydraulic crane to heavy duty cranes were put to use, and here we are seeing still the exercise of heavy machinery is going on. And what we are getting to learn is that that toll is likely to increase, because as the suspicion was lingering around the minds of official also, that it was somewhere the death toll will be increasing as they go further, the operation goes further. And here what we also understand is that the agencies have been focusing on as they go inside. They will be crawling. In fact, what we got to know from our officials is that it's a manual search which is going on, and the officials have to crawl inside because it's very heavy and no machines can take out. That can cause damage if somebody or some body is there. So basically what we understand is that it's been 48 hours and still the operation is midway, and yes, the case of death toll is likely to increase.
Okay. Shrishti, you're telling us 14 deaths so far, but there is some indication, Shweta, that there are probably some more people who are buried under the rubble behind you, which means that this operation that has been underway actually for more than 48 hours now will continue at least till tomorrow, if not more. Rakesh is joining us from the Prime Minister's rally as well. Rakesh, is there any indication that the Prime Minister midway or after his rally could be visiting the hospital where those injured have been admitted? Is there any indication of that at all? Will there be any opportunity for the Prime Minister to speak during this roadshow?
Well, the Prime Minister is said to be unpredictable, and we were hoping that he may surprise us by visiting the actual site where the incident happened, but that didn't happen to see. And in fact, the roadshow started, and the roadshow also ended at Ghatkopar East, where I'm standing now, and he has left from this place for the airport. And what we are being told now by the BJP that he has a scheduled flight at 8:30 hours today. Maybe he'll be going back to the Delhi. So there is no public address, there is no meeting as such. We were also hoping that he would at least in the beginning, while he was there at the Shivaji statue, he would make some statement, or maybe would pay condolences to the victims, but that also didn't happen. He as per his previous schedule, he simply started the road show. He smiled at the public crowd, accepted their their blessings, so-called blessing, and also waved back at them. And for the last 60 minutes or more than that, the road show continued with all the baja gajas and all the cultural activities, and the roadshow reached at this spot. And now you can see that the Ghatkopar crowd, the Ghatkopar people are also leaving now. And as one of the guests who was here, who was saying that similarly no candle march was conducted here by the public, no demonstration of any kind of any kind of protest against the culprit was shown, and that is the road show conducted, which is under the question right now. And it will be important and evident to see whether Prime Minister will tweet something about it or whether make any other statement once he reaches from he leaves from this spot.
Okay. Okay, so Rakesh, essentially you're telling us that the Prime Minister's roadshow in Ghatkopar is over and he has chosen not to speak about what happened 48 hours ago. We'll leave it there for the moment, Rakesh. Thank you very much. Shweta, thank you very much for joining us from the ground as well. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, I'm slipping into a quick break on the show. There's more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.